Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, yesterday we had FOMC interest rate news. There was no change in rates, and definitely no change of trend. The trend is definitely still down. There's definitely not been a break of structure yet. Now, for me, this is still the most previous structure. That is currently the structure level that will tell me that this move down is over. Now, this to me looks like a possible 1, 2, 3 waves up. I mean, this might go all the way back down, make a double bottom, which would be good because then we can move our structure level down to here. Then, if price breaks that high, that would turn me into a bull. For now, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for shorts on sort of time frames. If you either go down to the 30-minute or maybe just stay on the 1 hour, you can see that this definitely was 1, 2, 3 waves up, rejected this structure, then bam, back down it goes. So definitely doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend until preferably we get a double bottom and a breaker structure at a Fibonacci retracement level, which we definitely do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.